Hi, my lovely Sagittarius, and welcome to Floral Tarot Reader. How you guys are doing? Thank you so much. Whoever subscribed to my channel, it really means a lot. I offer personal readings as well. You can check my description box and comment section. My WhatsApp link and number is mentioned. You can click on the WhatsApp link, send me a hi, and you can get a personal reading done at very minimum fees. I have another channel as well in Hindi. I'll post the link over here. So that has around 35,000 subscribers and 3,000 plus videos. So if you want to see readings in Hindi language, you can definitely check that channel out. And I'm like decided to finally put in efforts in my English channel. So yes, Sagittarius, let's just get started with your reading. Well, let's see how your love life is unfolding. This will be a timeless reading, so whenever you'll watch this video, it will surely resonate with you. So keep your partner's energy in your mind and heart, and let's just get started with your reading. Let's see, angels, higher beings, ancestors, love life for Sagittarius in the month. It's not a month, it's a timeless reading, okay? Okay, Sagittarius, let's cut the deck. Cool. Let's see. The current energies of your person is Five of Coins, okay? Intention of your person is Two of Swords, not good. Future action of your person is Six of Coins in reverse. Your energy, Sagittarius, is the Hermit, and future of this overall connection is Nine of Wands, okay? Bottom of the deck, Eight of Coins in reverse. First, let's discuss the zodiac sign. Your person's zodiac sign can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I'm getting Aquarius and another Sagittarius, and whichever zodiac sign your person follows or believes in. Um, Zodiac sign is just an additional information. If they have another zodiac sign, it does not matter. Anyway, lot of issues are happening in this connection, in this relationship. This looks like a situationship, FWB as well, one-sided, or it can be an extramarital affair as well. I mean to say, okay, Sagittarius, you're feeling quite helpless. You're feeling also, this can be a no contact situation as well. This person might have blocked you. That can be a reason over here. I just need one middle energy. Why Five of Coins and Two of Swords? This person is going through, I think, financial crisis. They're hiding a lot of things from you. Nine of Wands. Why Nine of Wands? Not good. Sagittarius, I feel you are dealing with a person who hides a lot of things from you. It can be majorly, it can be related to finances or even their career. I think this person can be doing a lot of shady stuff. Yeah, maybe some, what you call it, this stuff. That can be one case. That can be one might case. And secondly, what I'm getting an energy is that your relationship connection has been suffering a lot. This person likes being a victim, Sagittarius. Like if you communicate your needs that, oh, you're my person, you're not doing this or that. So like instead of accepting their mistakes or instead of putting in efforts in this connection, they blame you. For example, if you say that you're not giving me enough time in this connection or you're not meeting me, so they say you are being demanding, that's why I'm not meeting you. What you call it is perfect gaslighting. That's what they're doing in this connection. And if you're resonating with all of the things I've mentioned, please carry on or please continue watching this video, reading. And let's just get started. The Five of Coins. I think that this came in reverse. This person right now feels that Sagittarius is why this energy of victim. You are understanding your person's needs and demands. Your person likes blaming you for every kind of misery they are having. For example, if they are failing in their exams, they blame you. Sagittarius, is because of you I'm failing in my exam. I don't understand one thing, that like in today's generation, nobody stops anyone to build a career. For example, if you are studying, if for example, if a girl is studying, they're like, if like she's studying for 6 7 hours, that boy will be like, oh, you please study, you please build your goal. Even the girls will be like, yo, oh god, please study for 5 6 hours, please talk to me later. So nobody can stop each other to build their own career. So whatever downfall they are going through, or whatever the shit they are going through, they always blame you for every kind of misery in their life. They think that whatever is going on in their life is because of you. Their health issue is because of you. Their career issues because of you. Their family issues because of you. So if you're having so much issues with Sagittarius, then leave this person. That's one energy. Second energy I'm seeing is that this person is in a very negative state of mind. This person thinks only and only negative about you. You have done nothing. You have done no negative energies. You have not cheated on this person. You have always been there with this person. But this person does not care about your positive efforts, your positive actions towards this relationship. They like blaming you for every kind of misery in their life, because losers like to blame situations. Losers like to blame their parents, their situation, their this and that. They don't like blaming themselves. That is because of your own energy, it's because of your own karma, you are not able to build a good life, or it's because of your own self, you're not, your relationship with people is getting damaged. That's what the main concept of spirituality is to always take responsibility of your own life. Of course there can be parental childhood trauma, of course there can be issues, of course there can be situations in life, but we cannot always blame situations and be a victim and just sulk in your own misery. It's your life at the end of the day. What you are doing to make this make your life better or make this relationship better is nothing. It's very easy to blame Sagittarius. Oh, it's because of you our relationship is suffering. Oh, it's because of you my life has become a living hell. But what exactly you are doing to fix the relationship with Sagittarius is zero. What you are doing to fix your life is zero. With the high priestess in the middle energy, they like sitting idle. They like sitting and just complain. Also, this person can be, I think I think they are addicted to nicotine as well. Nicotine, or maybe some smoking stuff. I'm getting an energy. I'm getting one energy as well. Their intentions towards you is Two of Swords. There's no intention. They like blaming you. And whenever full moon and new moon arises, their energies towards you becomes more and more negative. I feel this person is a big time loser, Sagittarius. You're dating a loser. Let me be very honest with you. And my channel is a very straightforward channel. This is not a La La Land and Dreamyland, just to be clear. In their intention, they like sitting idle and blaming the situation. They like sitting and they like blaming you for everything. As a man, as a woman, what you're doing to fix this relationship is nothing. So that's their intentions towards you. Their future action, 6 of Coins. This person is still tolerating you, or this person is still in a relationship or connection with you. Maybe you are helping this person financially. That can be one reason. It's okay if you have money and you're helping your partner. That's completely normal. Secondly, what I'm seeing in the future action, that this person is not leaving you. I'll tell you, because you're tolerating this person's nonsense. Either you are tolerating their verbal nonsense, or you are supporting them financially. So in the future action, you are thinking, oh, this person will come back or fix this relationship. It can be like for a week they will behave normally with you, but after a week or after 1-2 weeks, they'll still come back on track and start blaming you. This is a sadistic person. This is a narcissistic person. I'm not getting good energies from this person. You have dealt with it a lot. Let's talk about your energy. If you would have been so happy in this connection, then you wouldn't have come in the Hermit energy. You are reevaluating this relationship. You are reevaluating that, what am I doing? Exactly am I doing? I think you are not able to sleep well is because of this relationship drama. You are in this energy. I have put in a lot of efforts. I have done everything for this person, but this person blames me. My partner does this. They don't value you. So if they are not valuing your connection, they are not valuing your effort, they are constantly blaming you, you should leave. You should break up. I am getting an energy that you also, I just got an energy, Sagittarius. This person literally blames literally attacks your inner self-respect. That Sagittarius, your nose is big, oh, you're fat, oh, you're skinny. Like they literally can body shame you, literally literally disrespect you in a very bad way. And you are in this energy that maybe I am lacking somewhere, maybe I'm not attractive enough, or maybe I'm this, I'm and that, and because of this my person is behaving you like that. No. However you look, whatever you do, Whatever you do, even if you are a sanitation worker, even if you're a delivery boy or a girl, even if you do whatever, if you're earning your own livelihood, if you are able to buy yourself food, clothes, or even you can buy a shelter, or even you can rent a place, you deserve basic respect. Everyone deserves basic respect and basic dignity. Don't don't be so critical and so on. Don't be so harsh because a stupid person is saying such things. Sagittarius, the best thing I can suggest you over here is to leave this person, because I'm not getting good energies. Or you can get a personal reading done for better guidance or guidance or clearance. Future, 9 of Wands, I'm not seeing healthy relationship. This toxicity will continue and it will increase with time. You will become, I think your self confidence will betray. Your health will get your health will deteriorate. I am not getting good energies. This is not a good person for you. I feel destiny, I feel angels and universe is making this person reveal their true colors. What if you got married to this person, or what if you got stuck with this person? I think that situation would have been much more difficult. I am not this I'm seeing torture, I'm seeing hell for you, Sagittarius. Get out of this situation and relationship soon if you're resonating. If not, get a personal reading done for better guidance. And this was your reading. And if you liked my video, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Floral Tarot Reader. Bye bye.